one of the oldest educational institutes in Asia. We are the University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences. Established as a school in 1882, today the institution houses over 8,000 students and academically stands amongst top 10 universities of Pakistan while being ranked amongst some of the best in the world. The university operates 6 campuses and 9 affiliates spread throughout the country, with more being added every year. UVAS is recognized as a hub of professional advancement in wide-ranging areas, including veterinary and animal sciences, animal production and technology, biotechnology, microbiology, pharmaceutical sciences, food and nutrition sciences, and business management. The university operates 79 degree programs and also offers diploma and need-based short trainings and certificate courses for capacity building as per industry demand. The university houses a highly skilled faculty of over 330 members, including 179 PhDs. Affiliated with the Association of American Veterinary Medical Colleges USA, UVAS has taken up twinning of veterinary education program with the University of Melbourne. The university also has partnerships with various foreign and local academic and research institutions, Punjab Livestock and Dairy Development Department, and the private sector. UVAS scientists are managing 141 research projects of economic significance worth Rs 1.5 billion in various fields. Development projects worth over Rs 4 billion are underway with the support of Livestock and Dairy Development Department, Punjab. HEC funded projects for enhancement of research facilities at UVAS Ravi campus Pattoki and establishment of College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences at Narowal for Rs 2.5 billion are currently underway. UVAS offers wide-ranging services to farmers, pet owners, community members, industry stakeholders, and policymakers, including diagnostic facilities, clinical and 24/7 extension services, vaccine production, consultancy and advisory services, regulations and policy framework, central laboratory complex at Ravi campus Pattoki, and other laboratories such as the University Diagnostic Laboratory and the Quality Operations Laboratory are servicing the students, public and industry alike, and offer cutting-edge research facilities. The Business Incubation Center, in collaboration with Higher Education Commission, aims to grow new business ventures, offering extensive services and facilities to young entrepreneurs. The university operates oldest teaching hospital of Asia and provides treatment and advisory services for all animals alike. The Pet Center at Lahore campus takes care of all types of pets and exotic animals. The Dog Breeding and Training Center at Ravi campus Pattoki offers well-trained sniffing and guard dogs. To keep pace with constant developments in the field of professional education, the Center for Educational Policy and Administration has played transformational role in capacity building of the faculty members. The university houses a state-of-the-art IT center which provides local and wireless area network facilities and facilitates students and faculty to connect with scholars from different parts of the world via video conferencing. In recent years, UVAS has assumed a new role as an effective think tank. Its Center for Applied Policy and Research in Livestock, CAPREL, is generating innovative ideas from the laboratory and classroom into public policy arena. The university's Institute of Continuing Education and Extension is working for the uplift of rural farming community through various diploma, certificate and short-term training programs. Under UVA's Civic Engagement Project, the faculty and students conduct training of farmers and arrange free vaccination and deworming camps in villages for disease prevention of livestock. The university runs an across-the-board scholarship program with a continuous focus on ensuring poor and talented students access to education. The university also gives emphasis to the development of physical and mental faculties of its students to make them responsible and productive citizens. To this end, sports and extracurricular activities are encouraged and arranged regularly. UVAS stands at third position amongst the universities of Pakistan in the field of sports. The University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences aspires to be the nation's leading public sector university with global recognition due to its quality in teaching and research, civic engagement, and economic development. It creates in students the spirit of nation building and arms them with tools to become creative thinkers, innovative, and guiding lights for others.
University aspires to be leading public sector university in quality of its teaching, research, civic engagement, and economic development. Pakistan is basically an agro-based country, and in agriculture, livestock is almost 60% in the GDP of agriculture. This livestock is very important as a source of nutrition, as a source of livelihood, as a source of poverty alleviation. And we, being the flagship University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences in this country, have a heavy responsibility to lead this sector. And this is what our aim and mission is, that we are leading the agro-based industry, livestock industry, in poultry, in pharmaceutical, nutrition, and all related subjects. We are value-adding in the research, in the economic development, and bringing best practices of the world in our farming system, in our industry, and in our teaching and research.
The UVAS is working hard for provoking potentials and producing quality professionals for sustainable socio-economic development of Pakistan.